Hi, welcome back to my channel. I got another hood in my messy garage. That one's not going to work over there. I tried to cut it around the hood scoop, and the hood scoop on the truck doesn't sit flat, it goes uphill, and so it's too hard to make that to the hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the hood scoop on this hood. I gotta clean it up. See, I removed the guts from it, and I need to put a plate and some foam like I did on the Mustang, and just put that on top of the carburetor, and then lay the hood on top with the hood scoop attached to the hood. And also, when we flip the front end, it'll be easier to do. So just something. I'm going to sand those down now. That's what they use to glue the inner part to the hood. Alright, that's all for now. Well, day 2, we're working on the truck. What I did was I made this Zeus fastener here to hold the front, and then I notched the inner fender. I'm going to pop rivet this to the bracket, and this is what the bracket looks like. I mounted it inside, and it comes up, and the Zeus goes through the hole up here. I got another hood. I didn't like the way that one, I cut it around the scoop, and I mounted the scoop to the carburetor, and I didn't like the way that worked out, so I'm going to try to mount this hood scoop to the hood this time. A lot of work. I think I can do it, but that's where we're at on this. I think it's going to work out okay. I still need to get in there. Still need to get in there and attach the bracket, weld it. I still need to weld it in here. So it's just a kind of preliminary. The door opens up okay, and we're all set. Alright, out for now. A little better view of the bracket. Weld that in there. Okay, this is like day 3. Got the fasteners in the hood and trying to attach the hood scoop to the hood. It's not easy. I originally had it bolted to the motor, and what happens is you had to have too big of a gap on the hood scoop because it's narrow here and wide here, and so the gap had to be cut wide open, and I want the front end to flip so it wouldn't clear. So I wound up getting another hood and doing it this way. I'm not that good at body work, but I guess we'll see what happens when I finish. Thanks for watching.